We're going to talk about some coding productivity tips that will help you write better and more efficient code. If you're a programmer or just starting out in the coding world, make sure to stick around. Number 4. Think before acting. Have you ever had an idea for a new project or a feature for your existing project and immediately jumped on your computer to start coding? If so, you're not alone. However, this is not the most efficient way to approach a new project. Before you start coding, take a pen and paper and write down what you want your code to do. Think about potential exceptions and how you'll handle them. Draw a flowchart and break the project into small milestones. Make sure each milestone is achieved completely and no errors or problems that could compromise the overall purpose of the project are left. Being organized is key to a successful project and will help you stay calm throughout the development process. Number 3. Use comments. Comments are one of the most important things in programming, yet many programmers neglect to use them or use very few. Proper comments help other people understand your code and make it easier to review and revise later on. Make sure your code is neat and well organized, and use comments to explain what the code is doing. Highlighted comments after each section, function, or class will help present your code to others, such as your boss, client, or even your dog. Number 2. Test your code again and again. Once you've completed a milestone or feel that your project is complete, it's time to test your code. Execute the program and make sure everything is running as intended. The steps your project takes should match the flowchart you created before writing the code. Test your code with the weirdest inputs you can think of to ensure it doesn't terminate abnormally or raise any errors. If you find any issues, fix them and test again. Number 1. Leave coding for a few minutes. Last but not least, don't be afraid to take a break from coding. When you're feeling stressed, have eye strain, or are frustrated because your code isn't working, it's important to step away from your computer and engage in another activity. This can include taking a walk, taking a nap, meditating, listening to music, or even eating some cookies at 1 a.m. Just make sure you're not thinking about your coding problem or anything related to it. This break is a reward for all the hard work you've done in your previous coding session. In conclusion, by following these tips, you'll be well on your way to improving your coding productivity and efficiency. Remember, being organized, using comments, testing your code, and taking breaks are all important aspects of a successful coding journey. So, keep hustling and never stop chasing your dreams. And that's all for today's video. We hope you learned something new and fresh. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell to never miss an episode. Until next time, happy coding!